Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn how to create a short film using a premium text-to-video prompt generator. To begin, we'll click on Create a Film and then select our genre, which will be action. Next, it will ask us what kind of short film we want to create. We are presented with 4 ideas, along with their titles. Let's choose the third option. It may ask for additional details, but we don't need anything extra, so we'll proceed. Now, we'll define our characters. There are 2 main characters, some supporting characters, and a minor character. Once that's done, the tool will generate all the scene titles and start creating the screenplay. We'll have around 12 shots, each with a short description. Let's go through them one by one. After writing down all the prompts for each shot, we can move on to generating the videos. For this step, we'll use Minimax AI. First, let's review the shots we've created. I've already generated the first 2 shots, and here's what they look like. Now, we can generate more shots. I'll create 3 variations per shot, which should be enough. After generating the shots, I'll copy and paste the prompts into the video editor. As you can see, the first shot involves a box or bag with something inside. The main character approaches and opens it. Each shot can be generated up to 5 times, allowing us to pick the best parts from each version. Sometimes the generated videos aren't perfect, but by combining the strongest elements, we can create a cohesive scene. For example, in one version, there's an explosion, and in another, the vision appears after the explosion. We can cut and merge these clips to create a seamless transition. In the next shot, the main character is wounded, and the vision appears behind him holding a golden gun. Another shot shows him picking up a stone and hitting someone. These scenes still need adjustment since they're generated in one attempt, but you can refine them later during editing. To improve character consistency, you can assign real names to your characters when generating the videos. This helps maintain visual continuity. Some shots might need trimming, especially if the beginning feels off. For instance, we can cut the first few seconds of a clip to focus on the action. Once all the shots are generated, I'll download the video files and start editing. The quality of the final video depends on your editing skills, so take your time to polish it. You can always generate more shots or add custom prompts to enhance the story further. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, check out our YouTube channel where we upload new videos every 3 to 4 days. We also have a Patreon page where members can access exclusive content, such as specialized prompts. By joining Patreon, you'll receive notifications about new uploads and gain access to additional resources. You can also follow us on Twitter and join our Facebook. Group links are in the description. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye-bye.